ក្នុងវីដេអូនេះយើងរៀនអាន A B C តាមរបៀបរីករាយនិងទាក់ទាញយើងច្រៀងចម្រៀងអក្សរក្រមហើយអានអក្សរនីមួយៗឲ្យច្បាស់ដើម្បីជួយកុមារបង្កើនជំនាញសិក្សារបស់ពួកគេវាអាចអានល្អឥតខ្ចោះសម្រាប់អ្នកចាប់ផ្ដើមដំបូងនិងអ្នកសិក្សាវ័យក្មេង
Read A, B, C with its song. A. Example, an ant is small. B. Examples, the ball is red, the ball is red. C. Examples, the cat can jump. The cat can jump. D. Examples, a dog barks loudly. A dog barks loudly.
E. Examples, the eagle is brown. The eagle is brown. F. Examples, the fan is on. The fan is on.
A is for apple, red and sweet. B is for ball we kick with our feet. C is for cat purring at my door. D is for dog chasing and galore. A, B, C, so fun to sing. Every letter's got a zing. From apples big to panda small, let's learn and love them all. E is for elephant, big and round. F is for fish swimming all around. G is for goat nibbling on some hay. H is for hat we wear every day. A, B, C, so fun to sing. Every letter's got a zing. From apples big to panda small, let's learn and love them all.
Read alphabet A to Z.
A B C D E F G N I J K L M N O P Q R A T U V W X Y Z.
Thank you for watching this video. Please share it to your friends to see more videos.